All right. Hey, little buddy. How about that? Where are you at? Ooh. Ah, there's the little guy. Come on, buddy. Wow. Ah, got a chubby one here. Nice one. Whoa, how deep are you, buddy? How deep can you go? All right. All right, guys. It's a little dude. It's a little dude, but he's sure been tearing up a lot of stuff. All right. How about that? Hey, little buddy. Look at that. I got this guy. And look at that. Here's the worm. How about it? How about that? I love it. Put that worm back. All right, guys. I've been trying to catch this little guy for a while. Last night I come by here. This place like a little minefield. It was a crazy weekend. Actually caught 6 moles and I had to expand the motel. There was actually 2 new apartments. How about that?